and I went through and tested the tubes. One of them tested weak, so I replaced it. Now I give it a listen. It sounds really loud, but I noticed the channel switching does not switch, and none of the LEDs light. So, further examination, I notice that there is a part missing, and it happens to be laying down there. So that resistor supplies the plus and minus 15 volt rails to the IC, and also supplies the channel switching. And this amp also has the old style gray ICs capacitors, or Illinois capacitor. These things are junk. Whenever you see these, always replace them. They are the cause of so many problems. Even though this amp sounds loud, there is no downside to replacing these capacitors. Now the easiest way I've found to do this is just number all of these connectors. See, every tab has a number, CP8. So you just write the numbers on the connectors as you unplug them one at a time. And this board moves out a lot easier if you just remove every connector, so it's not that big of a deal. And here, 5 and 6 red go to the standby switch. That's all you have to remember. There we go. We got all the JJ caps in. Got the new resistors in. And we're ready to reassemble. Clean the controls before we put it all together. And we're getting close to completion. Make sure you clean the faceplate off while you have the circuit board out. There is a oscillation that only happens when it's in lead mode. The other thing about this oscillation is it changes when you change the tone controls. Alright, solution for the motorboating problem was check this capacitor. Make sure you have your DC voltage on this end. When I checked it, there was no DC voltage there, and because it's a bad trace, so I just did a little trace repairment. Once the voltage was there, the motorboating went away. I've had other amps where this capacitor is bad, and that causes the motorboating too. Just for reference, this capacitor has 371 volts DC, and the ripple about 0.03 or less. Another thing I noticed is these screen resistors, the 470s, they had dead solder joints, so when I took them out, you can see that the bands are all discolored, so those need to replace too. So check these solder joints on those screens, make sure that they haven't overheated and created bad cold solder joints. Alright, a little dab of glue on this cap, set the bias. Just need to put all these screws back on. Nuts, knobs, already cleaned the pots. Everything's pretty good. I played it, sounds normal. Switching works, reverb works. It says done.